Let's take a quick look at how we can wirelessly screen share up to 4 devices at one time to the ClearTouch panel utilizing the Collage app. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the Collage app on the Android side of our panel. And the first thing I'm going to do is go to the user guide, because that's going to give me some great information of where I can go to the website to download and install that free app on whatever device I'm using. It also gives you some connecting information about being on the same network and then entering that security PIN code. Now that PIN code revolves and rotates each time you launch the Collage software. So I have the Collage app installed just on an Android tablet. I'm going to go ahead and type in that unique security PIN code 166415. And now it tells me that my tablet is now connected, and I have the option to go ahead and just start casting or sharing my screen directly to the panel. So there we go. Now I'm wirelessly casting to the ClearTouch panel. I can go in portrait mode or landscape mode. I can launch various web pages, drive a PowerPoint presentation from your device. Doesn't matter what it is. So again, just a quick way to jump in, be able to wirelessly screen share any device to the ClearTouch panel using the Collage app. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up below and go ahead and click on that subscribe button and hop on over to ClearTouch Academy for additional tutorials and training videos.